Hey, it's Sarah with Ag Partners, and we're here to share 4 of our favorite recipes from our family to yours. Let's get started.
Hey Chelsea, what you got going on here?
Today we are making a blueberry bramble. But actually, when I made it for a tailgate, I called it a blueberry cheesecake something. So here we go.
Great, what all ingredients are in this?
First we've got our croissants, and Peyton's gonna crumble those up in a 9x13 baking dish, greased, so it doesn't stick.
Guessing he's been training his whole life for this.
Man, it's like the Olympics.
Yeah, he's doing a really good job.
So while he's doing that, I'm gonna start the base. So we've got some cream cheese, block of cream cheese. Simple enough. We've got 4 eggs. Then we've got a cup, 1 1/3 cup of sugar, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, and 3 teaspoons of vanilla. We've got a fancy homemade vanilla here.
Look at that. You can see the vanilla beans in there.
I might have, I'm not a good pourer, so there's probably more than 3 tablespoons, but good.
Peyton, how you doing over there?
They're coming along.
Good. They're
Almost
looking
there.
really good.
And for my part, you just mix it up. Just until the cream cheese is good and mixed. All right, so now that we've got the croissants done, just pour the blueberries. I think the recipe calls for 2 cups, but I kind of just go with a whole package. I like lots of blueberries.
So these aren't fresh picked, it's a package?
Package at the store. I mean, they're not frozen. So
No, they are fresh.
Semi-fresh?
Yeah.
Is that what you
No,
call it?
yeah, that looks good.
Get them spread out there evenly. And now we just pour the mixture on top. So now we are going to, so a lot of times I'll make this at night and set it in the fridge and let it soak all evening or all night and then cook it the next day. But we're just gonna put it in the fridge today for about 20 to 30 minutes is still good. So we'll do that and then we'll come back and bake it at 350. All right, we're gonna get the blueberry bramble, cheesecake, something, whatever you wanna call it, out of the oven. There we go. So you could serve this for breakfast,
Okay.
but my kids like it with some ice cream or Cool Whip for dessert.
Oh, wow. Sounds great.
That does sound amazing.
So that's it.
Looks great. Can we eat it now or?
Might be a little hot.
Probably should
Might
wait.
want to let it cool just
Yeah,
a
probably
smidge,
so.
but it is better warm.
Okay,
So
great.